Hit that subscribe button now. Join the adventure with Action Force Mission Files.
Now.
Find the Action Force Mission Files playlist only on Chick N Coop. Hit that subscribe button now and get a free gift.
He's getting mad. He's getting mean. Breaking the line for the GI JOE team.
That's right, it's William the Refrigerator Perry.
The fridge destroying GI Joe.
And you can get a free fridge. Here's how.
Collect 5 fridge certificates or call the number on the certificate and the fridge will tell you how to get in on the action with only 4 certificates. There's a $1 handling charge. See details on specially marked GI Joe packages.
Watch out, Cobra. Fridge is coming through.
Yo, Joe.
Soldiers, we're fucked. The Bravo team has been decimated and the Alpha team is now missing.
Join the adventure with Action Force Mission Files. Find the Action Force Mission Files playlist only on Chick N Coop on YouTube.
Action Force.